Today, I'm recording this is on a Sunday. It's the only day that no construction people are coming to the site. So it's our day to go to the Palapa, which is right over there, go swim in the ocean, which we did that as well, and just kind of take it easy. But they've been working on the pool. In fact, they have the side cut out here. This is where we're going to sit a little bit over there. And over here, we're going to have a couple of bar stools built into the ocean so you can sit and look at the view. And this is our shallow end for sun chairs. And then just a couple of steps into the deep end. The deep end is for doing pool exercises. And we get a very nice, you can see this coming in, stairs into the pool. That's really how you get into it. Water intake cleaners have been installed, and the person to do the lights hasn't quite shown up yet to stick the lights in. We're having 4 LED lights put in to the pool, multiple colors, really cool stuff. And it's going to be really nice. And they're telling us that we actually may have a workable pool in a couple of weeks. Now we're doing stonework on the sides here. So here along this strip here, we're actually going to have some stone put in all the way around the pool. And that needs a couple of days of no rain, really. And we're forecasted to have rain for the next 10 days. So our 2-week ETA may be put a week or more because of that. But they're still got stuff to do on the pool. This is going to be a bench right here that you can sit on. It's more the one we'd probably sit on most. This here, this cutout I showed you, is a way to just step into the pool, sit if you want to, but then get into the old deep end because the steam room is going to be over here. And so if we come out of the steam room, we want to get into the pool immediately instead of having to come all the way around and take the horrible stairs down. We just jump in. So that's going to help with that. But this is going to be really cool. This little bench area. Then we could stick our tray of drinks and snacks right here next to our favorite palm tree. It's going to be really nice. So hopefully in a couple of weeks, maybe 3 or 4, and we'll have a workable pool. It's going to be really pretty nice because it's been really fun to watch from the living room, which is 1 story up, and seeing how it's been transforming. And we've had them tweak it. I mean, it is majorly custom done. We've had them tweak it and whatnot to what we want. Having stayed in nearly 30 different places in Mexico before finally buying a place. And of course, a lot of experience over a few decades of living, we really know what features we want in a pool. And we designed this pool ourselves for that to be just what we want. Doesn't have to be really big. It's got to have lots of functional areas. And we're really happy with how it's coming out. So really looking forward to that. That's it for now. See you guys next time here on Expat Rebel. Ciao.